Now the people must say with all of the wealth and riches where Jah Cure accumulate, and him accumulate majority of these riches after being released from Jamaican incarceration. They must say Jah Cure find himself in Netherlands prison. Now the people I look upon all of the houses and the cars now abandoned by Jah Cure. Now I'm going to see what I go on and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Guts, take a lot of guts, a lot of talks right there, make you fret as a motherfucker. If you have fear, don't drive in this baby here. Listen to me. She's a beast. She's not the least. It's mine. See, you're on that cure. Yeah, man, I have it. So now demonstrate all the C63S. Pretend that you come from the supermarket and you have grocery and you want. See me?
Hold on. Do that again.
Yeah, man, I'm swipe it back, man. And she lap.
What the bomb up there going in the car?
So it work.
Let me feel like I'm not driving Benz. How kind of car this? See what is?
C63S, man. She's the beast. We call her Beauty and the Beast. My friend gave her a nickname and call her the Fighter Jet.
So you know, so right now this is leading in Jamaica, right?
Yeah, the leading one in Jamaica right now. I'm the only man driving one of the C63S. Artists must build up them clout and them value. Show your authority.
Bob Marley and
if
the
Bob it there, you
know.
No doubt, the general now go less.
Really?
So remember that, yeah?
Brothers inside.
Represent class, Rasta around the world.
Watch the red. Oh, it's the last CI. Here, check out the Broadmoor. Continue.
So, what's gonna happen? So. Like when you're home, home sweet home.
This is Jah Cure's mansion in Montego Bay. Lovely home.
Soup. Yeah. When I say real rich, it ain't mouth talking. When I said I don't need some phony niggas, it ain't mouth talking. Yeah, we already fixed things. We're not boys, we're men in this kitchen. Kings in this motherfucker. Feel me? You hear me? King in this motherfucker. Royalty to the bone. Sit up on the fucking throne. Show y'all something. Show you niggas something. You want to really see something? It's dark, motherfucker. Welcome to the Tater Room. This is where the big FIFA showdown takes place. And this is where you see the face of Scarface, the legend. You know what I mean? Every youth, I remember the struggle. I know say Scarface teach us, yo, fight for what you believe in life. If you want to be somebody, the Godfather dream, we try to live this. Because our kids need things, man, and our mother needs things. And the youths in the ghetto need things. So don't tell me if I don't have things. Watch your bad mind. Adios. So welcome to IGTV. While I give you part of my lifestyle, don't get too jealous. Let's go work for your own. Set your own pattern. And when you hear a big man talk, some boy not dog finna bark. When king speak, one voice.
You know me, listen to you?
Biggest Mobile with the Flow City.
You know what me listen to
We're
you?
taking our city home. Take
Prince,
care,
I
sit
could
back.
never get me down.
Positive vibes. Montego Bay, we ready. Ready.
Rafi, right?
What me jog on there? Jog on me, I drink today and I spit fire from Babylon here. Spit fire upon all wicked men. Wicked men.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there's no place like home. Montego Bay, we home. Tell all them phony niggas just leave Jah kids alone. Yeah. There's no place like when you're home. Home, sweet home.
Hey, some people work all them life. If you accumulate some of them things where Jah Cure accumulate in a couple of years. Half I'm talent. I feel blessing. But they must say it's like the mentality. The over aggressive mentality. And in Jah Cure's situation, Jah Cure was actually right. When I say right, in the right. Meaning say, he might confront somebody who owe him something. The actions him take though. Look at the amount of wealth we are showing. That is not how we would have want to see somebody in a society handle a situation like that. And not just for rich people or poor people, because you know the situation of crime and violence all over the world. But a business this man owe you some money, you perform. Even at the same place now, where Jah Cure have him case I try appeal to get him a early deportation. Because that's what Jah Cure seek. For those who don't know. Jah Cure is seeking early release and deportation from the Netherlands. Or to be in conviction itself get overthrown. And improving innocence. The sad part is Jah Cure can't prove innocence by something where him tell somebody say him I gotta do before him do it. Him do it and him tell somebody say him did I go do it before. That's premeditated. Yeah, that's premeditated. The only thing Jah Cure can say is that he was pushed back into a corner. Him go with the knife, but him only go with the knife because of how him know the person where him never talk to was. If him knows that person travels with a firearm or, even if it's a legal firearm, whatever the situation is, I feel like that person would have come with multiple people and him that to defend himself, being outside of his own country of origin, being in fear for his own life. Things like that in defense can talk and probably try to argue. Will it work? I don't know. But since them can give him a type of release where he have to stay away from the country, they might say the person who him assault, that person can feel safe knowing say Jah Cure is out of the country and cannot just return to the country. So maybe them consider it. But to the amount of millions of Jah Cure did have, to throw him entire life away, abandon him house them. We are talking about property. Jah Cure is a father, So him do this all this time away from him youth. Basically nothing for a couple of dollars. We're not gonna say nothing for a couple of dollars. Him being an individual we already have a whole heap of dollars. Based on what we are saying. Even though just have a couple of dollars, him have a whole heap of dollars. So was it all worth it? Of course we are saying no. And maybe even Jah Cure, after being released and him doing first interview, I'm going to tell us, say, no. It clearly was not worth it. As the cartel said when him forward back in him, say, yo, one of the things them we miss the most is that while being behind the bars, him couldn't get to spend time with him children. Watch them grow. Are the same scenario with Jah Cure right now. No, him can't for watch. But they don't know how much youth him have. Him have a daughter. Don't know how much youth him have, but him can't watch none of them grow. Him there behind the bars. So was it worth it? It not seem so. Would they ever give him still get the money? Nobody didn't even talk about that party. Remember, the world is something because the man owed Jah Cure some money. You know? I don't think Jah Cure get that money there. You know? Nowadays, feel like the man still gonna pay him after the whole this something. Me not think the man pay him. Same do him do. Go behind the bars. Still behind the bars now. I try to come out. I try to get released. I try to get the conviction quashed. Or maybe get an early deportation. And him still not get back the money. Him still not get no. If him not do it for ratings, even the people may probably say, I mean, rate you. Them not rate you because them still say you throw away your life. So for them rate you, they have to throw away your life. Clearly, they not rate you. So if a ratings Jah Cure do this for, even him fans, them are saying, you know, it was a waste of him talent. Talented singer, back behind the bars again. So who for ratings him do it for? I can't feel him youth. Because I know him youth don't want to see him behind the bars. Him youth want him in their life. To be a father. And the fans, because the fans want new music, and they can't get the new music while Jah Cure behind the bars. I can't demand them on the streets. Because the man in the streets, I say they may have Jah Cure type of money, they must live. And just enjoy life. For ratings him actually do it for. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, as I pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded. And of course, made available